So Insta360 just released a new flagship camera, the X6. And on paper, you might just think it's an incremental refresh, but no, this is their most capable 360 camera they've ever built. What does that even mean? Well, we're looking at massive sensor upgrades, native Dolby Vision, an all-new AI editing workflow, and 3 completely distinct shooting modes packed in one tiny little pocket-sized body. So let's dive into it and see if it lives up to the hype, but also lay out some of the major upgrades from the X5. So let's get into it.
MrBlack.
And welcome to the channel. If you like gadgets, gear, and the latest in futuristic tech, make sure you hit that subscribe button and don't be a stranger. Hit that like button and links to everything are in the description. And Insta360 did graciously send me the X6 so that I could take my time, test out all the features, and take it out at some of the cool locations I was traveling to, and then share my thoughts and experiences with you guys. And the biggest news right out of the gate is the image hardware. The X6 upgrades to dual custom Sony 1/1.1 inch square sensors, co-developed specifically for Insta360. This design increases the total sensor area by 33% over previous designs. And it delivers 1-inch equivalent 360 imaging with 300% higher light intake per pixel compared to the X5. On top of that, it features an upgraded 4nm triple AI chip system. 2 dedicated imaging chips help handle dual lens noise reduction and color collaboration separately, while Qualcomm's flagship 4nm chip handles processing, stitching, and stabilization. That gives it 500% higher computing power with 35% lower power consumption. What does that mean in the real world of shooting? Well, for your daylight and dynamic range, you get up to 14.5 stops of dynamic range. Shooting backlit subjects and looking out a dark room into bright sunlight retains highlight details without blowing out the sky. And then the low light video performance. In night scenes and city streets, dark area noise is drastically reduced and light sources don't create severe haloation. And then there's the color and depth. This is the industry's first native in-camera Dolby Vision and full 10-bit color depth across all shooting modes. It evaluates dynamic metadata frame by frame, giving you a smooth color gradients without unsightly banding straight out of the camera. So the X6 is essentially 3 cameras in one. Obviously, you have 360 mode, it captures full scenes, 8K 50 frames per second, and 120 megapixel 360-degree photos. That's the classic shoot first, frame later flexibility with an invisible selfie stick effect. It also introduces an AI photo frame feature that automatically extracts flat portraits, landscapes, or tiny planet shots ready for instant sharing. Then there's InstaFrame 2.0 mode. This turns the X6 into an unlimited active tracking gimbal camera. Pair that with their new foldable selfie stick with a remote that's detachable and has a joystick on it. So now you can use built-in controls or even screen taps to track people, pets, or objects while directly outputting flat 4K 30 frames per second video. Plus it saves an 8K 360 video in the background, which makes it super efficient when creating videos. And then you have single lens action camera mode. So if you're wanting that standard action camera, just tap the screen to switch to single lens mode. You get buttery smooth 5K 60 frames per second video with up to 170-degree ultra wide 5K 30 frames per second perspective, or a high frame rate 4K 120 frames per second slow motion, which is right up there with all of the competitive action cameras. Now, anyone will tell you the biggest bottleneck with 360 cameras is the processing afterwards, because we say shoot first, frame later. Well, you got to do the framing later. But now Insta360's built an in-house multimodal AI model called PanoMind, where it's trained on over 10,000 hours of footage across 30 different scenarios like skiing, cycling, diving, and actually gives you a zero editing experience. So within that, you have AI director, you plug your camera in to charge it at night, and while it's idling, the X6 analyzes your day footage locally, picks the best highlights, edits a complete daily vlog, and pushes it directly onto your phone in the morning. And that requires no cloud backup, so it keeps all of your data private. And before we get to some of the physical body improvements, I want to share another cool thing they have, and that is this power handle. You pop it on there magnetically, and it has a built-in battery charging your device while you're using it. Plus, it is a long selfie stick that has controls built right down on the handle. And that's a really, really cool and easy to use accessory. And speaking of battery life, you have a 2600 milliamp hour extreme battery providing up to 140 minutes of continuous 8K 30 frames per second recording. That is a 51% increase over the X5. It charges from 0 to 80% in 24 minutes and operates down to negative 20 degrees Celsius. Now, have a look at the display. You have a 2.32-inch full-sized OLED display with high contrast for direct sunlight visibility and ultra-low power always-on display. We also now have replaceable lenses 2.0 with a new clip structure that is 300% more scratch resistant and cuts replacement costs up to 60%. As far as water resistance, it is definitely waterproof down to 20 meters. Or if you want to go even lower, you can get their invisible dive case and you can triple that depth. But now let's talk about the audio. The X6 has a built-in 360-degree windproof mic, a dedicated hidden engine mic for motorcycle vlogging, and direct Bluetooth connections to their Mic Pro and Mic Air. So that is a great combination, just having a microphone like this and your X6 and you're ready to go. Perfect for traveling, take it anywhere you want, vlog with it, and use all of those cool AI features to create your content for you.
Thank you. Hope you got some cool footage on that thing. Yeah.
And if you are completely new to Insta360 and any of the other 360 cameras, they have some of the best 360 software for editing, cutting down the videos, whether it's on your phone. They have a great app, super easy to use, or even on your computer, and very easy to use as well. Keyframe, active track, you can do all of that stuff in seconds. It's so quick and efficient and doesn't bog down your computer. Now, in case you have the X5 and you're wondering what is the real difference between the two? Well, as far as the sensors go, the X5 has the dual 1/1.28-inch sensors, and the X6 has the dual custom Sony 1/1.inch square sensors. So that's a 1-inch equivalent, which is 33% total sensor area, plus 100% larger pixel size for noticeably clearer low light shots. The X5 has the older generation chip. The X6 has that upgraded 4nm triple AI chip system, 2 imaging chips, and that 4nm main chip, giving it that 500% higher computing power. As far as the color and dynamic range, the X5 has that standard color depth, and X6 has the industry first native in-camera Dolby Vision plus 10-bit color depth. So smoother color transitions without banding, 14.5 stops of dynamic range, and dynamic metadata tone calibration. As far as the 360 video resolution, the X5 does have 8K 30 frames per second. The X6 gets you 8K up to 50 frames per second. You get a 51% increase in battery life, better lens guards, double the waterproof depth, a higher contrast screen under bright outdoor sunlight. It's got that better microphone system, and it's got 47 gigabytes of built-in storage, which is great because if you forget your micro SD card, well, you still have that storage in there that you can use. It also still has a micro SD card slot, so you can have extra storage space. They have bottom buttons that are more custom now. You can force touch to get it and change modes, just like that. Really, really nice and fluid touchscreen as well. There is a lot that this camera can do, and it looks great. This is a fantastic travel camera for vlogging. Maybe you can't get those zoomed in shots, but you can zoom in a bit, and it does look really good, especially compared to any other 360 cameras out there. So for me, having a 360 camera to take with me anywhere, you feel like you're covered with that action camera, 360 camera to capture everything, especially when you want to get group photos. It's just so much easier than having to ask a stranger to grab your phone and you don't know how it's going to turn out. You just pop this thing up, it counts down from 3 and takes your group photo. It makes the selfie stick invisible and just looks great. Share it off and everyone's always impressed with it. So if you are in the market for a new 360 camera getting all of these upgrades, this is a great option. It's a 360. They've been in the game for a long time and they know how to do it. So check out the link in the description for the most current and up-to-date price at your currency, and stay tuned for more content where we can showcase some of the cool features within here, because there's a lot you can dive in with the menus, because there's so many different modes with bullet time and road mode and star lapse and all of that stuff. So we're gonna get into that stuff later on and see what it can do. So stay tuned for that, and thank you so much for watching. If you wanna see some other Insta360 videos we've done on this channel, especially their cool Luna Ultra and the Mic Pros, which I love, these videos are on the screen. Plus, we'll put the X5 video that I did on there too, and some other stuff. So check it out, click one of those videos if you're still here, and I'll see you next time.